Welcome to another album cover quickie, and this album we're looking at right now is called The Sounds of Love A to Z, sensuously synthesized, and it's apparently by a person named Fred Miller. It's got some interesting photographs on the back, and this is basically a synthesizer album, a very early synthesizer album. And there's a woman that just kind of makes sounds all the way through both sides. It's a little bit annoying, but the album is kind of fun in a weird way. And like I said, it's by someone named Fred Miller, and he probably had a girlfriend of his make the sounds. It's on Yorkshire Records, and I figure it came out in the early 1970s. The cover photo is pretty funny. And there's a lot of hard synthesizer hardware in the back, I think. And so that's The Sounds of Love A to Z.